good day. For this video, I will be going to share what this poster all about.
I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away. I'll be your lighthouse, I'll make it okay. You and we're like fireworks and symphonies exploding in the sky. With you, I'm alive. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
I keep you wondering, keep you hunting for my loving, but I crave us hugging. Yeah, I stay stubborn, 'cause I can't admit that you got all the strings and know just how to tug them. I think I'm in love again. I think I'm in love again. I didn't think it could be true, that I know that it would be you. I think I'm in love again. My heart's pacing, I'm confused, I'm dazing. I saw something I never seen in you, it's got me shaking. I must be hallucinating. I hear it happens, I'm just saying, babe, I'm just saying. Someone give me some papers, someone give me some crayons. I'm feeling like a child, I need something to play on. I'm trying hard to trust you when you save me your hand. Baby, I'm falling, I hope you catch me when
Globalized communication with the press of a button. Globalization continues to improve and develop communication over the years. Just with a single press of a button, you can now talk to someone anywhere at a given time as long as you have the data and connectivity.
Faster spread of information. With the rise of smartphones and the internet, people can easily share various information to other people through several posts in our social media accounts. We can show how we are feeling or tell stories of our lives. Calling and texting made it faster to let your friends and family know where you are or what you are doing. You no longer have to wait for days sending letters, as well as going to their houses personally to tell what you want. In Google, abundance of information, it is now easier than ever to gather information through the internet. Searching at the Google taskbar would show you different sources related to the topic you wish to know. Unity with other countries. If there is a problem a country experiences, such as what happened with Super Typhoon Yolanda or Haiyan in the Philippines, other countries can help due to the spread of information like newspapers and people do in their social media accounts. Having each other out supports the unity of nations. Distance. You can now quickly communicate with someone despite the long distance. For example, if you are in the Philippines, you can talk or message a person in the US with ease. Certain apps like Messenger and Facebook are used as a medium to communicate with one another. Technology has helped bridge the gap of a long distance. Virtual communication. In the millennial era, video calling has become very popular. The advancement of technology now allow you to see and talk with someone even if you are very far away, using the camera on your laptop or phone. If communication, because you can now talk to someone in your own home. You do not need to leave the security of your own house to communicate with your friends or family. You will, therefore, lessen the risk of having accidents happening outside.
Now, let us move on to the negative impacts of globalization on communication. We have many effects of using technologies, but here are some examples.
Have barrier. In cultural issues, we may use our language barrier. Cultural diversity makes communication difficult as a mindset of people of different cultures or different language, signs, symbols. Different cultures have different meaning of words, behaviors, and gestures. For example, the sign thumbs up is taken as a sign of approval and wishing luck in most of the cultures, but is taken as an insult in other countries. Lack of social interaction. In today's society, the internet and mobile technology seems to be destroying our meaningful interactions with others, disconnecting us from the world around us. Instead of spending time in person with people, we would instead call, text, or instant message them. By doing so, we would encourage the nature of not talking to someone face to face. Security. Nowadays, hackers prowl social media networks looking for victims. They use shortened URLs to trick their victims into visiting harmful sites, which can inject viruses into their computers or mobile phones. Addiction to mobile phones. Although technology allowed individuals to have unlimited access to information and to connect with others in a way otherwise thought impossible, this has also led to cell phone addiction. They can no longer live without their smartphone and are very dependent on them.
In conclusion, the effects of globalization on communication are not necessarily all good. It is important to note the negative impacts for us to be able to know what the right thing to do is. Communication right now might be a simple press that greatly influences how we live and function in society, so we should be responsible in how we are going to use technology so that we can have a better community. This is Crystal Umayam from B.Ed to Major in Content Education. Thank you for watching. God bless.